Everyone, in order to achieve a good result in a poultry farm, you have to do this. One is you keep record of everything, keeping record always of the things like how many bags you feed in a day, you use in a day, and the crate of egg you collect a day, and the cost of production. Keeping record is good because it makes you understand or know whether your poultry farm is making progress or not. Then another one is don't skip vaccination. Prevention is cheaper and safer than treatment. So you have to, and everything, you have to take care of the birds, and you don't have to skip vaccination. Here in Agaton farm, we do that every day. So